Hello everyone, I am Swati Sonwane, a second year video student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Doc Swat. In this video, I will be sharing something every first year dental student struggles with. How to identify a tooth and write all traits in just 3 minutes during our practical exam. So as we know, we have to identify the tooth and then write its all 4 traits in 3 minutes. At first, it seems impossible to me too. During my first year terminal exam, I couldn't complete the answer and I ran out of time and missed writing a few traits. Though I knew the tooth, I lost mark. That's when I realized speeds matter as much as knowledge. So I started practicing with a proper plan. Here's what I followed to stay within the 3-minute limit. First of all, you have to sit on table or chair or your study table, and in a stopwatch you can make countdown on it. Take a paper sheet so that you can write all traits. I divided the 3 minutes in 30 seconds and 2.5 minutes. 30 seconds for to identify the tooth confidently and 2.5 minutes to write all the traits category clearly. Practicing this format helped me become faster and more confident in my answer. You can use extracted tooth specimen or you can use photos or plaster models while practicing. Say the tooth name loud out and mentally recall each trait category. Set trait, class trait, type trait and arch trait. So this repetition creates muscle memory. So during your exam, your brain automatically knows what to write. Remember, it's okay to struggle in the beginning. We all do. But if you practice with this strategy and time plan, you will master tooth identification and traits easily. In the next few upcoming videos, I will be covering each tooth and its traits one by one, so that you can revise with me before your practical exam. If this helped you, do like, share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.